Hey, what's up? This is a short video about what I've done last weekend. It's not much about showing up with what I've experienced and what great trip I had, but it's more like to show you what is possible even while working in a 9 to 5 job. And yeah, we had a lot of fun, so I hope you have too, and enjoy it.
Nice one! Nice try!
That's it for today. I hope you liked it, and as I said, it was just about showing you guys that you can even experience great stuff while being in a 9 to 5 job. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Bye.